Good evening to everyone. Let us be educated to the new evangelization through education. To God, salvation through the law and grace. Especially to the latest news and updates of the tensions between the China and the Philippines in the West Philippine Sea or to the South China Sea. The origin of the conflict, which the main conflict in the South China Sea dates back to 1279 when China drew a territorial map of its influence that included the entire South China Sea. Since then, control over the region has changed hands between regional powers and later colonial states. While the claim of the Philippines on the West Philippine Sea starts in the year 2016, the Permanent Court of Arbitration issued a decision confirming that the Philippines has sovereign rights over two 200 miles exclusive economic zone EEZ in the West Philippine Sea. But let us deepen that our conflict of both China and the Philippines in defending both of their rights in the West Philippine Sea or in the South China Sea is because it is rich in natural resources, including oil and gas reserves. But of course, deepening our spiritual relationships to China and the Philippines, in spite of this conflict, what is more important to China and the Philippines are their good relationships based on Chinese and Philippine or Filipino history. Although the tensions continue to rise between the two countries, the China and the Philippines, in disputed parts of the South China Sea, but it is with Mary's intercessory to both countries by the grace of God to the following. First, China is the Philippines' top trading partner. Export mark, destination, and import sources in 2019, a testament to our stronger bilateral trade relationships. Second, on this coming December 12, 2024, to the feast of Our Lady of Guadalupe, is important to Mary's intercessory to China and Philippine relationships with Mexico to profit from the galleon trade by which goods passed between China and Mexico. Third, many Chinese assimilated into Filipino society, intermarrying with native Indos and others, as well as with Spaniards. And fourth, Chinese and Philippines similarity, both cultures, value, filial piety, and respect for the elders, speaking softly and courteously, is placed importance on hard work and thriftness. So, this goodness of the Republic of China and the Republic of the Philippines, of good bilateral relationships and friendships to one another, cannot separate us of the love of Jesus Christ our Lord through Mary's intercessory. God bless us.